Come down, calling your NSO. I said, come down, calling your NSO. Learn how to let it go. You better learn how to let it go.
Hey, what are you looking at? I'm Mary. Nice to meet you. You're probably wondering why I'm here. I'm your AI, your personal assistant. Ask me anything, anything. In the age of modern industry, change is no longer a choice. It's a necessity. That's why I'm here. I can shift my identity to match exactly what you need every time you ask.
Hi, I'm Jack. I'm here to keep a close eye on efficiency and make sure every part of your operation runs at its best. What do you want to know?
Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm an expert in giving you the best graphs you could see. What do you need?
I think I got your attention, haven't I? I'm available. Watch me in action.
Next, to drive evolution.